Hello everyone. In today's video, we are diving into the world of conversational AI agents. Let's start by exploring what they actually are. Conversational agents are AI tools designed to streamline the interaction between a user and a system. They ensure the conversation remains clear and well organized by asking questions in a logical sequence. Essentially, these agents break down the conversation into individual nodes, with each node dedicated to a specific question. Now let's talk about the agent we're going to use, which is retail.ai. Here's a look at the retail.ai dashboard. On the left side of the dashboard, you'll notice a variety of options. To create a new agent, head over to the right and select the Create an Agent option, then choose Conversational Flow Agent. We're going to start from scratch here. To build a conversational agent from scratch, we'll need to work with nodes. On the left, you'll see the conversation option. Click on it, and once you do, a node will be created for you. For each node, we need to configure two key elements, a prompt and a transition condition. Let's begin by setting up a prompt. For example, are you male or female? Now let's move on to setting up the transition condition. You have the option to set multiple transition conditions. For instance, if the user indicates they are male, we can set one path, and if the user indicates they are female, we can set another path. Based on the user's response, we will transition the conversation to the next node. So let's go ahead and create two additional nodes, one for male and one for female. All right, and let's make sure to rename these nodes appropriately. So renaming, let's call this one male. When a user identifies as male, the conversation will flow to the male node. Similarly, if a user identifies as female, the flow will transition to the female node. Now you've seen how we can construct a conversational agent. To further our understanding of conversational agents, let's explore a real-world example. We start with the begin node, which acts as a default starting point. By clicking on this node, options appear on the right to configure who initiates the conversation. We've chosen to have the AI speak first. Following this, we have the welcome node, which asks the user if they wish to return anything. Should they choose to do so, the conversation moves to the get order ID node, where it will request the user's name and order ID. There's also a simple condition added to ensure the order ID is a 6-digit number. Once a valid order ID is received, the conversation moves to the next node, where the user is asked to provide a reason for returning the item. Once the user provides a justification, the flow moves to the next and final node. In this final node, the assistant informs the user, your order return has been initiated and a confirmation email will be sent to you. This concludes the call, demonstrating the complete flow of conversation.